Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Let's look at this physics question. Study the diagram given below and answer the questions that follow. Observe the diagram. Question 1 Part A. Name the defect of vision represented in the diagram. Part B. Give reason for your answer. Let's look at the answer. This defect is hypermetropia, commonly known as farsightedness. The reason is clearly visible in the diagram. Light rays from nearby objects converge behind the retina instead of exactly on it. Because of this, a person can see distant objects clearly, but nearby objects appear blurred. Consequently, the near point for a hypermetropic person shifts farther away than the normal 25 centimeters. To compensate and read comfortably, they have to hold reading materials at a distance greater than 25 centimeters. Question 2. List 2 causes of this defect. There are 2 main causes for this defect. First, the focal length of the eye lens is too long. Second, the eyeball has become too small. Question 3. With the help of a diagram, show how this defect is corrected. This defect of vision is corrected by using a convex lens, as shown below. Look at this correction diagram. The convex lens pre-converges the rays, allowing the eye lens to form a clear image exactly on the retina. Thank you. Happy learning.